Fort Knox, unlocking really good value. Here's more on Fort Knox padlocks. This multi-layered steel body resists abusive force. With a plastic cover, it becomes weatherproof, and this cap keeps the moving parts dust-free. This solid brass beauty is rust-free all the way through. For specific applications, use a long shackle brass, iron or heavy-duty solid steel padlock. For convenience, combination locks are ideal. They're also very handy when it comes to locking luggage. That still leaves a great choice of really good padlocks in brass, iron or keyder-like packs. These keyder-like padlocks eliminate the hassle of having to select the right key or carrying around multiple keys. With the Fort Knox range, you can simply lock it and leave it. Fort Knox. Now everyone can afford a really good lock.